Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I just kind of at the spur of the moment today decided to go ahead and film a short video to let you know why I have named my YouTube channel what it is, Monarch Mom DIY. So last summer, a lady at our church, we were over there for a barbecue, and she said, "Hey, come over, look at this." So she brought me into her garage where she was babysitting some caterpillars for her grandchildren. Apparently they have been raising monarch butterflies for years and they were on vacation, so Grandma was keeping charge of them. So I was fascinated. She gave me a couple very small caterpillars and a few leaves that had eggs on them, and that got me started. So it was late in the season last summer. I raised from either egg to adult or very small caterpillar to adult 13 caterpillars, monarch butterflies last summer. So I got started a little earlier this year. I planted some milkweed and some flowers in my garden bed that attract monarch butterflies. And to date, I have raised and released 6 monarch butterflies. We're going on vacation in a couple of weeks for a week, so I wasn't going to do any more right now, but I was just out in my garden pulling weeds and lo and behold saw an egg that was black on the tip, which meant it was ready to hatch. At any moment the caterpillar was going to hatch. So I decided to go across to the church grass area and found 5 more eggs. So I now have 6 eggs, and by the time I got in and was getting ready to put the leaves in some water, I noticed that the one with the black tip had just hatched. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see that guy. Here we go. So here he is. He's very, very small. I'll stick my finger in here so you can see maybe how, where is it? Sorry. I'm trying to get my finger in the picture. There, see, that's my fingertip. So this is how small this little guy is. Right now what you see him doing is when they hatch, they come out and they immediately turn around and they eat their egg. It's got a lot of good protein in it, and that's just their natural instinct to come out and turn around and eat their egg. So now I have a baby caterpillar and I have 5 more eggs. Here's what the eggs look like. They are found on the underside of milkweed. Usually the monarchs will lay them on smaller, newer leaves towards the top of a milkweed plant. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Where's this one? Oh, there it is. This is a good angle. Sorry for the blurry. You can see maybe. Yes, okay. You can see how the egg is a little pointed at the top. So this one that just hatched, when I found it, it was black at the tip, and that's how you know, because the head of the caterpillar is black. So there you go. I'm going to be posting these in a series of videos. I do have some footage from last summer, but I kind of want to film as I go with these 6 at least. So I hope you'll stay tuned. I will post in the description box below a series of videos that were filmed a few years ago by a science teacher here in Michigan, and that's how I learned what I needed to do to take care of the monarchs. It's really pretty simple. At this stage, he's going to eat this leaf for quite a while. I do have it in a container, you can see, with holes poked in, and there's water in this container so that the leaf will stay fairly fresh. Once they get larger, and they do grow pretty fast, I will need to give them new milkweed leaves every day or 2 because they will eat for a while. So I hope you'll stay tuned with this monarch butterfly series. This is stage 1 with eggs and very, very, very new little caterpillars. All right, everyone, this is Monarch Mom saying I will see you next time. Bye-bye.